You've been hurt. You've been ignored. You've been underestimated. But you are not broken. You are rebuilding, even if it's quiet. These affirmations are for you. I am still worthy, even when I feel lost. I release the need to prove myself to anyone. My confidence is not gone. It's just healing. I do not shrink to be accepted. I do not chase what's already mine by alignment. Every setback was preparation. I am not behind. I am becoming. I am learning to trust myself again. There is power in my presence. There is beauty in my becoming. I am no longer available for self-doubt. I deserve to take up space. My softness is strength. I am magnetic when I believe in myself. I am rising, one truth at a time. Let these words live inside you. You're not starting over, you're rising again. Comment, "I deserve to rise," to affirm, and subscribe for more healing power.